much for being here. On behalf of the Redcoats and the Chamber of Commerce, we want to take this opportunity to thank Will and Jan for this wonderful opportunity, the investment that they continue to make in our community and everything they do. This gives us a little bit of an opportunity to tell them how much we appreciate that, how much we wish you the very best, not only on this, but in future opportunities. And glad that everybody can be here for ribbon cutting. City officials, Win, would you like to make some?
Absolutely. On behalf of the City of Pine Bluff, Will and Jan they're really fine examples of people who can move to our community, believe in our community, invest their time, their money, their effort, their energies, and do something fantastic. And this is a great start to everything happening with Go Forward Pine Bluff and downtown Pine Bluff, and we're thrilled to have them here and welcome them with all our hearts.
Fantastic. Thank
Win did a great job. They really did, and these are good folks. We're proud that they're doing what they're doing downtown. Any way we can help them, we're committed to it.
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Watley?
We're just excited. This is just another stepping stone to revitalization of Pine Bluff. Could not be more proud of the work that they have done. We're excited what they will do in the future.
Thank you. I just want to thank everybody for coming. You just don't know how much it means to me to have your support and have you here. And thank you to my children. My son came all the way from Oklahoma today. And my daughter. And they both helped with the building. And it's been a family project. It will continue to be family. And we just wish everybody to come and enjoy the services and bring friends. Thank you.
I would just like to say, good morning, Pine Bluff. Again, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming today. This is a very special moment for my wife. She wanted it open in December. Sorry, honey, but it's open. Thank you all so much for coming.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to cut on 3. Are all the cameras, everybody ready?
Hold on, Roy.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, cut.
My wife being the host that she is, there's a bunch of goodies inside.
You are at the grand opening for Uptown Salon and Boutique at 204 South Main, Pine Bluff, Arkansas. We provide a lot of services that you would have to go to different locations to get. You can get manicures, pedicures, your hair done, massage, all kinds of facial, waxing, threading, all kinds of services in one location for men and women. We have 2 barbers that specialize in men's cuts, shaves for shaving and beards, and also for facial conditioning and treatments. Well, we currently have a male massage therapist His hours are after 5 and on Saturdays, and then he'll be available during the summers. He is a coach and teaches school, so those are his hours that he's available. And we have a female massage therapist that schedules appointments, so she's available various times just depending on her schedule. Well, we moved here about 3 years ago, and at that time we made a tour through Pine Bluff, and as we all know, the condition of the city needed a little help, and so at that time we were able to purchase the building that we're currently using for the salon. And we're just hoping that everything in Pine Bluff improves, and that we all work together to make downtown what it used to be, from the pictures and the stories that we've heard from everybody who's lived here, to be as wonderful as it was.
It feels great to know that we've been here for 3 years, and this is one of the main things she wanted to do for the area was open a salon and boutique that would be centrally located downtown. Because as we all know, thanks to the Go Forward Pine Bluff initiative, downtown is going to be one of the first places they start working on with the streetscape and things of that nature. So we're trying to get foot traffic back down here.
And part of the goal for the boutique side was that local vendors who sell a lot of products maybe online or on Facebook, but don't have a storefront, could have a storefront. You can put your items in here for free, and there's a small commission fee when you sell the items. So if you're a local vendor and you do jewelry or soaps or bath products, or we have some people that are doing decorative items that are handmade, whether it's quilting or whatever you do, bring it down. Let's see if we can make it work and put it in the store. They can call 877-715-0393 and ask for Jan, and I'll be happy to help them.
All right, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Get over there.